Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In this video we are going to be working on some layout and grading for the new shower room. We are going to add on to that 10x10 shed there. We ran into town and picked up some material so we can start the subfloor foundation. I'm going to be working on doing some dirt work. I'm going to cut this pipe out of the way here. I think the previous landowner had a wind generator hooked up to it. So we're going to get that out of the way and start getting the grade set and figuring out the dimensions for our subfloor. We are going to be pouring a curb around it, as well as pour some 4x4 supports in the center. And then mainly it's going to be sitting on some cement bricks with 4x4 skids basically, but we'll come back and pour the curb later. I'm gonna be starting the welding on the shipping container, just getting a couple passes in on the angle iron, and I've been getting dirt from around the property, so I leveled this area out over here to bring over to the shower room, and then we'll be working on that for the upcoming videos. I appreciate y'all watching our videos and staying tuned with us. It's been pretty windy down here, but it's a lot warmer than where we live. It was 14 degrees up where we live, and it's been in the high 30s and 40s at night down here. So I'm going to be working on getting a few passes in. I might do 3. And then I have to fill up the top of the angle iron. There's just a little bit bigger gap on some of them. I think the settling of the angle iron moved it away a little bit, so I'll have to fill that up, but at least I can get a couple passes on the front of this in, and I'm going to be finishing out the rest of the video doing some welding and then showing you where we got for the first day on laying out the shower room. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. We're going to be working on the underground and getting the subfloor set and insulating it, as well as we're going to be framing the walls up and then cutting the shower room kind of hallway, which is going to be a washer and dryer room. We're going to cut that into the existing 10x10 shed, and then we'll see where we get with that. And then later on we would like to do an addition 10x10 bedroom off the side of it. So you'll see that kind of later in the video, the layout, what we're thinking. But I'll be shooting some videos as we go, so look out for that, and I hope you're all having a great day out there. And drop us a like and a comment and let us know what you all think. Alright, take care guys.